What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be looking at a lighting kit for your home PC to give you a more immersive gaming experience. So this is going to be the lighting kit right here. This is going to be for a max of a 34-inch screen, and it does come with 2 light bars to put on the side of your screen. So it really gives you a nice RGB experience. So let's go ahead and open this up to take a look at it, and then we're going to install it and see how it works. Get a nice little graphic display here, giving you an example of how the lighting kit will look on your setup, or how it can look on your setup. Light bar number 1, light bar number 2. You're going to get some mounting straps for the back of the TV. You have your LED strip, and here is going to be the basis for your light bars. It's going to be the power cable for the lights, also the control. Now, some special features of this lighting kit: it syncs with your audio, and also you can set it to your keystrokes. So that way it gives you a really nice immersive experience. Let's go ahead and get this on the computer. Now, to really get a good experience with the lighting kit, you want to download the software. Once you download the software, that allows you to sync your keyboard so the light can sync with your keystrokes. It also syncs with your monitor's illumination, so that way the same colors that appear on your monitor appears on the lighting kit. And that's going to be the immersive gaming light kit. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps you make your decision. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And once again, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.